Hello, and welcome to an introductory video on the basics of navigation within Excel. Let's start with opening an Excel workbook. We'll open up a new blank workbook, and we'll notice that Microsoft Excel is very similar to the other Microsoft packages that has the ribbons along the top. However, what's different with Excel is that there are many columns labeled A, B, C, D, and many rows labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. The intersection between a column and a row is called a cell. So this is the intersection between column B and row 2. B2 is its cell reference. We can enter data in these cells. Example, if I enter 1, 2, 3 in cell B2, hit return, I can enter another number in cell B3 and hit return. In cell B4, I can enter a formula that adds B2 add to B3. If I press enter, it's added cell B2 to cell B3, giving me an answer of 357. If I change cell B2, notice what happens to the sum formula at the bottom. It automatically updates. We'll come back to more interesting and exciting formulas in a later video. Let's discuss navigation. We can move around a worksheet here by using the mouse and selecting cells. We can also press the up and down keys or the left and right buttons using the arrow buttons. A neat trick though, if I just open up a little window here, is that we can also press enter to go down and shift and enter to go up. We can use the tab key to go right and then the shift and tab key to go left. I'm hoping these are skills that you'll pick up here and take away with you. Thank you for watching.